Thank you, Shure, for sending this item to test out. And we are looking at the MVX2U and doing a small update if it's compatible with mobile devices. We have my Galaxy S10 Plus and my iPad Pro 11-inch. There has been updates to the Moto app and updates to the firmware. The MVX2U is designed for desktop and not for mobile, so the workaround is still the same. You have to set it up first on your PC, and then all the savings that are in there will carry over into the mobile device. One of the issues was the phantom power. While the original cable did work with phantom power when connected to my Android device, it did not work when I connected to my iPad. So I had to find a compatible cable that would work with the phantom power for my iPad. And here I'm using my AT4033A condenser microphone. Previously, the app did not care for the Shure MVX2U, so you would get a lot of prompts and you have to kind of mess around with it to get it to work. You'll need to make sure that you make all the adjustments on a desktop first to have it set up, because the only adjustments you can make on a mobile app is just the mic gain, and then you can record, the library, and then settings for the app itself. The app is pretty much the same on the Android. Here, the only setting you can adjust is the mic gain. Then you have record, library, and the settings for the app itself. But we are using the original cable that came with the Shure MVX2U, and it is powering the phantom power. I don't have an iPhone, but I can assume the results are the same with the right cable and the right phone that can give it enough power.